In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AutoFilter feature in Excel 2016. So we're going to go over to our 09 Vet Clinic Patients file. And we're going to be on the client worksheet. So client list worksheet. And in a previous video, we had named, we've created two name ranges. So we're going to look for clients. So we want to click the clients, and it'll should highlight or select A4 through N57, I believe, 56. So what we're going to do, we're going to go up to the Data tab. We're going to go up to the Filter. Click Filter. And what filtering is when it's going to, you're going to tell it what you want to see. So it'll kind of make stuff disappear or hide things that you don't want seen. So now when we hit the filter button, we've added these little drop down menus to each column. And so we can actually sort and we can filter using this button. So this is our auto filter button. And we're going to look client number. Client number column is here. We're going to click the little down arrow. And you should see the auto filter. These are our filter things. We can tell it what to show and what not to show. So we can sort. So let's sort smallest to largest. So we can sort. And then we can go over here, and if we want to only see the clients who live in Ohio, so we're going to go over to column J. We're going to click our little button, and we're going to unselect Indiana and only have Ohio selected. Click OK. And now our table or our information is a lot shorter. And you can see over here it goes from 4 to 8, 9, 11. You can see that there's hidden rows up through here. But we've hidden them automatically by using the filter, the state filter. We could also filter by zip code. So we could unselect these and more items would disappear. You could filter by area code if you want to know who lived in a certain area code or a certain zip code, certain states or cities, whatever. But that's a really convenient way to filter out the data that you don't want to see or keep the data that you want.